What's up, everybody? Hey, check it out. This is another Move Progress production with your guy, Markeith Price. Today, we're going to talk about UAVs versus UASs. And they're pretty much the same thing. We're talking about drones, we're talking about quadrocopters, we're talking about multicopters, helicopters, but really, we're explaining it in the sense of the objects that fly in the air, which we call drones. But there are many other types of drones that we actually use nowadays in some of our everyday life. But for this sake, we're talking about UAV drones and UAS drones. So let's get into it. A UAV, for those who are new to the channel, I am visually impaired, so I zoom in so that I can read and be able to see everything. And for all my other visually impaired individuals out there, you also can be able to see as well a little bit better, and I will read. So a UAV, the abbreviation for a unmanned aerial vehicle, which is an aircraft that is operated from a distance without a person being present on it. So a UAV or UAV of various types are integral parts of the United States air power uh, arsenal. And then it kind of and so then it also just gives you because this is the definition, is just talking about what is the synonym, which we consider a drone, an aircraft, air travel, fixed wing aircraft, which, that's what I was saying before, multi-copter type of situation, and a helicopter, different things like that. So when it comes to a fixed wing aircraft, that's something that we probably have seen the most. When I would say in the 1900s, or when we think about planes with the propeller and the wing and the wings and stuff like that, that is what an actual fixed wing aircraft looks like. So let's get into the next one, where we're talking about a UAS, which is a unmanned aircraft system. So it's kind of basically close to the same thing. So this means an unmanned aircraft and the equipment to control it remotely. Unmanned aircrafts means any aircraft operating or designed to operate auto uh, or designed to operate autonomously or to be piloted remotely without a pilot on board. So, this is pretty much what a UAV is, but more so where we're kind of saying it's more robotic than you actually operating it yourself, like you actually manually operating it. So basically, you have a drone, and let's say you want the drone to follow you. Let's say you're on a run or something like that, and you have a remote where the drone follows you because the remote is pinned from your pocket or something like that. That is what you would consider a UAS, because yes, you have the quadrocopter or whatever in the air, but now it's following you without really you giving it manual controls. You just have the remote, which is a system that is set up. So I'm gonna zoom out for you all. But let's UAVs versus a UAS, we can kind of pretty much say this is the same thing. So you guys, I hope you guys learned a little bit about UAVs. I hope you learned a little bit about UASs, drones, quadrocopters. This is something that I would like to talk about in technology, something that we are going to see more and more rolling out. And I actually want to start a business around creating quadrocopters, creating drones, creating a technology, a system to be able to be utilized for us as people, and especially for people with disabilities. I believe that this will be something where you have quadrocopters and robotics being able to help people with disabilities. So you guys stay tuned and come back and support the channel to see what I will be talking about, what I will be rolling out in reference to how I believe quadrocopters in the future, or what you could say drones or robotics in the future, can actually assist us as individuals, all of us as people, and also people with disabilities that are visually impaired, that are blind, other types of disabilities that are out there. I'm here for it. You guys come support Move Progress Productions as always. This is your guy, Markeith Price. All right, you guys, I'm signing out.